house, so why not try some cool hairstyles and utilize this time and make best out of it. So today's look is going to be sleek straight hair at home without going to salon, and I'm going to achieve this look using my favorite Philips Kerashine hair straightener. Philips Kerashine hair straightener has features like Silk Pro Care, Kerashine and ionic conditioning that prevents hair damage. The plates are enriched with keratin, the natural ingredient of hair that makes it strong and healthy. Achieving sleek straight hair look could be a little tricky for beginners, but it's no big deal. To start with, you need to make sure that you have detangled your hair well, combed them well enough, and also have applied a heat protectant. The second step is the most important one, so that you can have perfect salon straight hair at home. For that, you need to do just one simple thing, that is to section your hair. So I'm going to take a front part, so you can use a clipper or a clutcher to clip them. And with the rest of the hair also, I'm going to divide them into 3 sections. Now I'll be starting with this section first. So I'm going to pick a very small section and clip rest of the hair like this. If you want, you can use a comb to just slide it down with your straightener so that you can have that sleek effect. Now start from the top. Do not put it too close to the roots and drag it down. Likewise, we'll keep on continuing with the other sections as well. The best part about straightening using this tool is that you can do it all by yourself. No need to take help from anybody else. Remember social distancing? So now as I've straightened all my hair, now what I'm going to do is just give them a nice sleek straight styling. And you must have seen this look on many of the celebrities as well, and I'm going to tell you how quick and easy it is to achieve. For this, all you need to do is give them a middle partition. After giving them a middle partition, you need to take few of the hair out, this side as well. Take a rubber band and take them behind. Take them at the back and secure them with a rubber band. And yep, that is done, and rest of the hair you can keep them open. This way your front will be secure, no hair will be coming at your face, and this look will look super sleek and perfect. About this look. I hope you liked it, and it was super easy to achieve. I have achieved this look using my Philips Kerashine hair straightener, and I have got a news for you. So the good news is that Philips is giving away a very cool hair blow dryer, and you can get your hands on it just by participating in this really cool contest. All you got to do is just flaunt your hairstyles and tag us in your post. You have to use the hashtag #StyleWithCare and Philips India. 3 winners are going to win Philips products. I hope you do your best and win it. I'm going to come back with another hairstyling video. Till then, bye bye, and don't get bored at home.